Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Trending Thursday, my favorite day of the week. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Always glad to have you here and glad that we might be having some new people here as well. I'm wondering how many of you share this video link with people in your circle. If you can hear me, by all means, please respond in the affirmative, preferably with VV Nation, to let me know that I am coming across loud and clear. And for my group from Hawaii who follows me on Facebook, I'm glad to see some of those names here. Excellent. Thank you all for being here. And Hang Time, thank you for being here. He does a lot of talking with me offline through social media, so I'm glad that you're here as well. But again, to all of my people who are here from the Hawaii group, which is really growing on Facebook, thank you for being here. Real quick, if you do want to follow me on social media, search for @Glenn Tompkins Jr. on either Instagram or Twitter. And so some people have found my personal Facebook. If you take the time to actually find that, I will accept you, but I don't normally put that out there. All right, we got a lot to talk about today. For those of you who are brand new, what is Trending Thursday? It's all about what stocks are making the news. I look at a lot of stocks that are in a lot of different industries. And if you've been watching our YouTube channel closely, you'll see that between Joey and I, we're putting out a lot of individual video content on stocks that are hot throughout the week. So you don't want to miss that. So what do you do to not miss that? Always remember, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Smash the bell icon so that you can get alerted to all of the updated videos that we do on a daily basis. Actually, I did how many videos? I did 4 videos yesterday that are slowly but surely coming up, so you don't want to miss them. Some of them are on marijuana stocks that are coming up that are hitting the news. I put videos out there so you guys can see them as soon as possible. All right, so we always start off Trending Thursday with what's going on in the market. Why? Because the market's direction affects 80% of the stocks in the market. We also want to know, are we in a bullish market or a bearish market? This market doesn't seem to want to stop going down, but there's a lot of emphasis on a lot of different things behind the scenes that's still pushing the market higher. But I want you guys to realize and understand, the market still is looking toppy. Don't get caught up in the quagmire of this market is going to go up forever, because it's not. All right, and we could be seeing some signs of that today in today's current market today. But we've been telling you that the market's been looking toppy for quite some time. You don't want to lose sight of that. And Daniel says, wait, Glenn is on marijuana? Don't put my business out there. Joey, did you tell him? Don't worry about that. Just as long as I can give you the information you need, that's all that matters. All right, so we're going to start off by going to our homepage. And I'm going to look at the homepage of the VectorVest software. That's where we start. We always start because it's important to know what's going on in the market. We can see that on our quick list, all of the major indices are down today. So today is a down day. Today is not a good day to buy into new positions. Someone just mentioned, if you're in a contra ETF, do you trade it like a stock? Absolutely. Absolutely. So on a day like today, I would play contra ETFs. I'm not ready to sell the market short just quite yet. I want to use the color guard as a gauge to help me to know when it's time to start really getting into shorting stocks. Today, the primary wave is down. We do have a red box in the color guard, but altogether, if I'm using the color guard like a traffic light, what's the main color I see? Yellow. I'm still slowing down. I'm tightening stops on the stocks that I own. I'm not giving up all of this profit that many people have made in the market, folks. Don't give it back. A good rule of thumb, don't lose more than half of what you've made. If I'm up 30, 40% on a stock, I'm not getting out unless it's at least a 15 to 20% gain. Don't give it all back to the market. I'd rather you take a 15, 20% gain than to try to hold the stock, ride it down, and take a loss at some point in time. So keep that in mind. And Paul is right. I've got a red alert. I'm not panicking, though. I am tightening stops on stocks that I own. All right. So as I look at the color guard, as I look at all of the major indices today is not a good day to buy stocks. Our guidance says VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. If you're not a VectorVest subscriber, we're still offering a trial to the VectorVest software, 99 cents for 30 days. And as a matter of fact, if you listen to the VectorVest VV Nation in the room, they'll tell you the value of that 99-cent trial for 30 days. Everything that I show here, you can get for 30 days for 99 cents. That's as much selling as I'm going to do in regards to the software today. Mark says drop it like it's cold. Well, right now it might not be so hot, so just keep that in mind. You know, when the VST starts to yell at you, drop it like it's cold, drop it like it's cold, drop it like it's cold. When the RT goes below 1, drop it like it's cold, drop it like it's cold. Yeah, Joey, you like that? By the way, say hi to Joey. Joey is my producer. He makes me look good on the camera. Hey, Joey, say hi.
Hi.
Excellent. All right. So we now know that the guidance in VectorVest says we do not advocate buying any stocks at this time. We see from the quick list that all of the major indices are down today. And so